Okay, today we have a mystery object and I don't have any idea what it is. So let's open it and see what is inside. Okay, let's see what is here. Oh, what is this? Tiny. Oh, emission line transmission, hydrogen beta, oxygen 3, and hydrogen alpha. Looks like a filter. Oh, this is one of the filters about. Oh, I was waiting for it for a long time. Let's just open it and see what is inside. Oh, this is the Lumicon UHC Ultra High Contrast filter. And they say that they probably display the band pass of their telescope filters. So 486 nanometer hydrogen beta 95.4%, oxygen 3 93.2, oxygen 3 at a different wavelength 91.5, and hydrogen alpha 0.1. I don't know what that means, but that must mean really low. So let me open this and just look at the filter itself. Oozes quality. Let me look through it. Okay, I've turned off the flash so you can actually see how it looks through it. Let's look to the light. Okay, yes. I'm going to try it on the Orion Nebula. Before that, I just splash a little bit, I will blow a little bit air blower on this just to make sure there is nothing with the dust and other things. Okay, I've cleaned the filter and I've attached it to this Teleview 40mm plus hole, and I'm putting it in this Bushnell Voyager 4.5-inch telescope. Target is M42, and I'll look through it and I'll report back. Okay, what I've noticed is that I've used several eyepieces, including this Starguider, Teleview, this Tova orthoscopic 25mm. What I notice is that this filter, Lumicon, dims the stars of the trapezium very much and enhances the nebula. The stars doesn't come to sharp focus with this. I mean the stars of the M42. But the nebula is really increased, so is it what we wanted? Probably. Yes, probably what we wanted. If you compare it with this Baader UHCS booster, this is similar to a Celestron filter, so I'm just going to do it now just to see. Okay, I'm now looking through that and I can say this. The Baader actually shows more nebula and more stars. I'm a little bit disappointed by this Lumicon. I bought it for £60 second hand, but it's a bit strange. Why it doesn't show the desired effect, or is it what we have to expect? I'm not sure. Okay, I have now changed to the Lumicon, and I think now I can see actually that Lumicon is better. I think there was a thin layer of cloud somewhere. It was stopping me from seeing. Okay, I've now gone crazy. I've added two filters together. The Baader and the Lumicon are added together. And I can see the extent of the visible nebula has really increased. And the stars are not dimmed as much. So the Baader is more effective. Okay, which one I prefer? I feel the Baader is the better one. That's strange. Well, anyway, the Baader filter is better. Okay, I'm using the Lumicon with the TeleView Pluso and the Baader with this Vixen, and both of them are 40mm. I don't know what's with the Lumicon. Lumicon that doesn't show the stars of the trapezium. The other stars are clear. Trapezium stars are not clear. Baader shows all the stars clearly. And I'm not sure I can see more nebula in this one, in the Lumicon, or in this one. At the moment, the jury is out. I don't think that they show any more nebula or less. I'm now comparing the view with the Alnitak and the Sigma Orionis. Again, I see the clear stars with the Baader filter, and not very clear, or dimmer actually. The sky background is dimmer, everything is dimmer. Slightly probably more nebula in this, nebulosity, flame nebula around it. I'm not sure, but I'm just feeling. Okay, I just bite the bullet and brought both of the eyepieces that I have of the TeleView 40mm. This one I put a Baader Ultra High Contrast, and this one is a Lumicon Ultra High Contrast, and I will use them on the telescope, so it can be as much as similar as possible. So I'm going first with the Baader one. I have reached now a conclusion. Baader actually shows more stars, but less nebula, and the Lumicon shows less stars and more nebula. So thumbs up for the Lumicon. It shows more extent of the nebula. I can compare it now with these two Pluso, and I can say that the Lumicon actually is better for viewing the nebula. It shows a bigger extent, almost double the size of the nebula, nebulosity in M42 that I can see with the Lumicon than with the Baader. This is a Baader Ultra High Contrast S L booster.